Welcome to new bus 2025. Zingbus, established in 2019, has rapidly evolved into India's largest tech-based intercity bus service provider. By 2025, it boasts a network of over 350 buses, connecting more than 500 cities and having served over 2.5 million passengers. Headquartered in Gurugram, Zingbus aims to create a unified platform for affordable, tech-enabled, and reliable transportation across India. Leveraging full-stack technology, the company manages various aspects of bus travel, including digital access to boarding points and real-time monitoring, ensuring a seamless and efficient travel experience for passengers. In 2025, Zingbus continues to enhance its services and engage with travelers through its informative blog. The platform offers comprehensive travel guides, highlighting destinations such as Manali, Olai, Leh-Ladakh, and Shimla, catering to diverse traveler interests. Zingbus also provides insights into India's vibrant festivals. For instance, the Holi Festival 2025 is celebrated with vivid colors and ancient customs across the country. The blog details unique celebrations from Mathura's Lath Maholi to Udaipur's royal festivities, encouraging travelers to immerse themselves in these cultural experiences. Spiritual journeys are also a focus, with articles on events like the Mahashivaratri in 2025. The blog guides devotees through sacred temples and celebrations, offering an immersive experience into India's spiritual essence. Furthermore, Zingbus addresses environmental concerns by exploring topics like electric buses, providing readers with essential information on industry trends, advantages, and costs associated with e-bus purchases. In summary, Zingbus in 2025 stands as a pioneering force in India's intercity transportation sector, offering tech-enabled services and enriching travel content that caters to the diverse interests of modern travelers. Zingbus, India's leading tech-based intercity bus service, has significantly enhanced its fleet's design and comfort by 2025. The front side of the latest Zingbus models showcases a sleek, aerodynamic profile, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. The modern aesthetic is complemented by expansive, tinted windshields that offer drivers an unobstructed view while reducing glare, enhancing safety during both day and night journeys. The buses are adorned with the distinctive Zingbus logo and vibrant branding, making them easily recognizable on the road. Integrated LED headlights and daytime running lights not only add to the contemporary look but also ensure high visibility in various driving conditions. These design advancements reflect Zingbus's commitment to providing passengers with a comfortable and secure travel experience across India's vast network of cities.